We have new reports that 2019 iPhones are bringing some very important changes that we weren't expecting. The Motorola RAZR should launch by the end of this year, and well, the specs and the price tag don't seem nice. And OnePlus TV should be launching soon, but the problem is that apparently it's going to be an exclusive somewhere. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, we've got bad news and good news. The bad being that the Matrix is back? Wait, no, that's actually the good one. The bad one is that Spider-Man is leaving the MCU, like, seriously. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals if you're in the market for a Google Nest Hub, and I hate that name play. But the thing about it is I've got one right behind the camera. I love it to death. If you're looking for one, it's currently available for $30 off on B&H, and this is the charcoal variant, which is actually the one I prefer. You can get free shipping and also save from taxes as well, but it all depends on your state and all of that. You can learn more in the description. Now let's move the spotlight over to Casio as, well, the company is out with another smartwatch. This time it actually brings everything that the first generation should have brought. This is by the third, I believe, or fourth. And, well, we're talking about the WSD-F21HR, and it means HR for a reason. It features a 1.32-inch display, offline GPS features, a day and a half of battery life, according to them, and a new heart rate sensor. It's, yeah, you heard that. Finally, a heart rate sensor. It's pretty much the same as its predecessor, but adding the heart rate sensor. However, sadly, the only thing that doesn't get subtracted is the price tag for $500. You can learn more about that in the description as well. Now let's move the spotlight over to Nintendo. For those of you that are looking to upgrade your Nintendo to better battery life, there is an alternative available today that we've been reporting on, but there's a catch. See, the new Nintendo Switch we reported on earlier has twice the battery life and is now available for purchase. However, Nintendo is selling it side by side with the original Switch. The price is the same, but of course you get better battery life. How can you tell them apart? Well, the model serial numbers begin with HAC001 and the product serial numbers begin with XKW. And look for also the battery life that's being reported, as apparently it'll say from 4.5 to 9 hours. So yeah, that's kind of weird because visually they're the same, but I'm definitely going to want to get one. So if you want to buy the one that I currently have, I'll list it on eBay. Now let's talk about the OnePlus TV. We have been waiting for this product for a bit, but it seems that in certain regions, we're actually going to have to wait longer. See, if you remember, Pete Lau confirmed that it would be launched next month. The launch will initially be available in India, and it'll be an exclusive to India for a bit, and eventually, we don't have a time frame, it might launch in the United States, China, and Europe. The launch is tipped for September 26, along with a teaser and the reveal of the 7T. And obviously, I hope the 7T Pro's whatever name is not going to be too crazy. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that OnePlus TV or whatever it is that the company is planning. And how about if we talk about that Motorola RAZR that I have personally been wanting to get, but the rumors weren't necessarily good, and for a moment we were even thinking that this product wasn't really going to happen. According to an anonymous source from Motorola, the Foldable Motorola RAZR might be coming in the following months. The report suggests that it might launch in Europe around December 2019 or January 2020, but the US launch is apparently going to happen sooner, they just don't have a date. The price is still rumored to be $1,500, but the problem is the internals, which still point to this being a mid-ranger. Obviously, the company is hoping that you're going to fall for the design. If you remember, the original RAZR had a terrible camera, and beside it was the V635, which had a far better one. No expandability on that original Moto RAZR, whereas the 635 did have this, and we had to wait until the V30i to get more powerful specs. So it could just be that this is going to happen here too. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with iPhones, as we've got more information on colors and specifications, and these are actually good. A new report from DigiTimes claims that iPhones will finally get bigger batteries. It also confirms that display sizes, reverse wireless charging, and a new green and lavender color variant we heard about a week ago. I remember only the green one, but anyways, the batteries will approximately be of 3,200 milliamp hours for the iPhone 11 Pro, a 3,500 milliamp hour battery for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I hope that name changes, and a 3,000 milliamp hour for the iPhone 11. On a separate report, a high-level exclusive claims that USB-C will be the power adapter, but only on one end in order to be able to give you power delivery for faster charging. Whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you think that better batteries and new color options are a good strategy? Because I'm already curious about that lavender color. That might be really cool. It reminds me of the orchid gray, if you remember, for the Galaxy S8. I'd love to know what you think in the comments down below. I'm actually kind of interested. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. Also, follow us on social media as our extended coverage happens on Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.